In this video, you will learn how to add post-build actions in your Jenkins pipeline build to resubmit a Veracode Dynamic Analysis and review dynamic analysis results from within your pipeline project. Development teams use Jenkins to automate and manage the build process from start to finish. Integrating dynamic analysis security testing into the Veracode Jenkins plugin further expands Veracode's shift-left position by including dynamic analysis along with static scanning into build pipelines and automating scanning cycles that remediate security findings. This integration provides you with the option to trigger Veracode dynamic analysis scans from Jenkins pipeline build projects and view scan results from within your Jenkins environment. Please note, in order to execute this feature, you must have already linked an existing dynamic analysis to an application profile with a Veracode policy and a single URL for analysis. You must configure your dynamic analysis within the Veracode platform before you can proceed. To add a post-build action to resubmit a dynamic analysis with pipeline builds, navigate to your pipeline project in Jenkins and click Configure. Scroll down to the pipeline section. Veracode recommends using a snippet generator to create code snippets for routinely repeated steps in your build, test, deploy pipeline. Click the pipeline syntax link. For sample step, click the drop-down box and select Veracode Dynamic Analysis Resubmit. For more information on each of these fields, click the question mark icon and view the associated help text. In the Analysis Name field, enter the name of the dynamic analysis as it exists in the Veracode platform. In the Maximum Duration field, enter the maximum length of time in hours that you want the analysis to run. Note, Veracode recommends that you set the maximum time for any dynamic analysis to 3 days. Select whether to fail the Jenkins build if the dynamic analysis fails. Enter your Veracode API account credentials. Select Run in Debug mode to collect detailed information about the analysis. The plugin stores the information in the console log of each Jenkins project. If you are using a proxy host to connect to the Veracode platform, select Connect using Proxy and enter the proxy host information. Click Generate Pipeline Script to generate a script using the selected settings. Please note, this example shows a script using bound credentials. The values for the Veracode API user ID and API key are the environment variables that map to the actual credentials in the Jenkins credentials store. Copy the pipeline script to add to your pipeline project. Navigate to the main page of your pipeline project. Click Configure. In the pipeline section, paste the generated script into the script editor. Remove the quotation marks surrounding the VID and VKey values. Click Save. To add a post-build action to review the dynamic analysis results of a completed pipeline build, navigate to your pipeline project in Jenkins and click Configure. Scroll down to the pipeline section and click the pipeline syntax link. For sample step, click the drop-down box and select Veracode Dynamic Analysis Review. Enter the number of hours to wait for analysis results to be available. Select whether to fail the Jenkins build if the analysis violates a linked Veracode policy. Enter your Veracode API account credentials. Select Run in Debug mode to collect detailed information about the analysis. If you are using a proxy host to connect to the Veracode platform, select Connect using Proxy and enter the proxy host information. Click Generate Pipeline Script to generate a script using the selected settings. Copy the pipeline script to add to your pipeline project. Navigate to the main page of your pipeline project. Click Configure. In the Pipeline section, paste the generated script into the script field. Delete the quotes from around the values for VID and VKey. Save your changes. Click Build Now and wait for the build and analysis to complete successfully. To monitor the progress of the build, click Console Output to view the post-build actions. In the Veracode platform, the dynamic analysis is resubmitted. You can view the progress of the analysis by clicking on the activity log. Once the dynamic analysis is resubmitted and complete, the results appear in Jenkins. Navigate to the Jenkins project and click Veracode Dynamic Analysis to review the results of the analysis. In this example, the analysis detected 38 findings and did not pass the Veracode policy of very high. You can click the View Executive Summary link to view additional information in the Veracode platform. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, navigate to help.veracode.com and search Dynamic Analysis Jenkins.